Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Let's talk about the greatest common factor.
Common factor. GCF. Let's take a number like, let's see, 15 and 45. Alright, so we know that 3 and 5 goes into 15. But 45, we have 3 and 15. And then, again, another 3 and 5. So, much like our monomials, in terms of the smallest power on each variable, we take we're looking for the greatest here. So, we've got 3 and 5 here, and we have 3 and 3 and 5. So 3 and 5, 3 and 5, our greatest common factor in this case, for these numbers, is GCF equals 15.